All right, guys, unboxing time from dun, 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 Royal Beardsmen. Stay tuned. Hey guys, Brian Haywood here. Welcome back to my Beards and Banjos YouTube channel where we discuss tips and tricks for your beard. We do some product reviews and unboxings, yay. We also have a beard advice series where you guys can send in some pictures and a brief description to the email address below. I take a look at it for a few weeks and you get featured in your own style consultation video. So we're having a great time with that. But today we've got an unboxing from Royal Beardsmen. We had an epic mustache challenge with Matt from No BS Beard Reviews, and we grew our mustaches out for 8 weeks. I did anyway. Matt cut his short, but several other guys who kind of started with us cut theirs short, but we at least kind of all went through the experience of growing out our mustaches a little bit longer. So when in doubt, grow out that mustache. I always think that it really kind of makes a more polished look, especially if you got a bigger beard, the bigger you want that mustache to be. But Royal Beardsmen actually sponsored our last live stream together on Instagram, and they were kind enough to send me out some products. So great looking box, great presentation. I love that logo that they've got. I got beard products all over the place. I'm smelling something. I'm not sure what it is. So let's see what we've got here. We've got some packing peanuts and some bubble wrapped items here. Let's see what we've got. Oh man, looks like I've got a bunch of stuff. So let me clear out the packing peanuts there, and I'll give you a little glimpse of what I've got. I was looking at their website. They feature something very few companies do in general, which is 2-ounce beard oils. So you can just put all the beard oil you want. All right, don't have to worry about running out of it. But here's what it looks like. Look at that presentation. I see it looks like a couple of oils, couple of balms, and some stickers. Some guys love the stickers. I'm not really into stickers. I'm not a sticker person. But I was excited when I was looking at their website because they have a mustache wax. All right, so they've got a 1-ounce mustache wax. And it also says firm hold on the website, which is good. So I've been trying to do a lot of product reviews for some mustache wax because not all reviewers kind of use mustache wax. I thought it was a good thing to share with you guys. So 100% pure white beeswax, naturally refined shea butter, virgin argan oil, jojoba oil, vitamin E oil, sweet almond oil, apricot kernel oil, avocado oil, grapeseed oil, pumpkin seed oil, hemp seed oil, and scented with premium essential oils. Wow. Most of the time you don't get all of that stuff for the mustache wax. Oh, is it a screw top or is it just a press? It is a screw top. It's the very first one I've seen that's like that. Most of them are the little push top, which I'm not a big fan of. This one is actually a little screw top and it's white. All right, it comes out white and it is unscented. So that one, I don't think it's got much fragrance in it. And I think it is going to be a firm hold as it says. I'll put a little bit in. All right, so I'll be looking for a review on that mustache wax. So thank you, Royal Beardsmen, for that. Let's see what else we've got here. We've got some stickers. Cool looking stickers. I am collecting them. I used to just kind of throw them all away. But as I've gotten to do more reviews and stuff, I am kind of collecting them. I'll see if I can come up with something cool to do with them or give them away or something. I don't know what I'll do. But Royal Beardsmen, there's the card. Garrett Homan, owner. And make sure you check them out on Instagram. And we've got 2 oils and 2 balms. I'm guessing they're matching sets. I know they've got a brand new scent out that sounded absolutely awesome. So this one is called Tortuga Bay. And let me smell it first, and then I'll read you the profile. But the ingredients are virgin argan oil, jojoba oil, vitamin E oil, sweet almond oil, apricot kernel oil, avocado oil, grapeseed oil, pumpkin seed oil, hemp seed oil, scented with premium essential oils. Man, I've never tried Royal Beardsmen, but they've got it covered with the essential oil blend, even on their mustache wax. Oh, wow. That is nice. A little sweet and fruity, but also something else on the edge of that. But very clear oil, guys. Let me see if I can figure out. And it is a 2-ounce oil, so let's take a look at that. Looks to be, yeah, looks to be on the medium side, right down the middle, right? That's got a little spice on the end of that. It doesn't, once you get it warmed up, kind of the sweetness starts going away, and I get more of a cinnamon kind of spice. Let's see what it says. Scent profile, Bailey's rum. That's kind of what I was spelling there in the bottle. And then spices and cinnamon to develop our own take on bay rum. So that's a bay rum blend. That is really good. I think I've got the matching balm for that. Let's see if I can smell that at the same time. And I've learned when you start testing your oils, you smell it in the bottle, but you do this, it really kind of takes on what it's going to be more like after the initial, a lot of times initial sweetness, or if you've got an orange or something like that, it wears off faster. So I do have the balm in that. That is a 2-ounce balm. Naturally refined shea butter, pure white beeswax, virgin argan oil, golden jojoba oil, vitamin E oil, sweet almond oil, apricot kernel oil, hemp seed oil, avocado oil, pumpkin seed oil, grapeseed oil, scented with premium essential oils. And it looks a lot like the mustache wax. That's interesting. I don't get quite as much of the sweetness to start with. It smells a little bit more like what it did when it was warmed up in my hand. And for you guys, looks to be a medium. It comes out relatively easy. Man, that's creamy though. That is very creamy. That's a nice smell. Very impressed with that so far, guys. So that one is a winner. I can already tell. And now I'm gonna have products all over me. But our last scent, which I think might be their brand new release. Oh, I love that bubble wrap. Man, Cavalier, that is their new release. And I just remember reading the profile of it on Instagram, I think they maybe had a post on about it. It was like, almost just like jaw-dropping, kind of like, that sounds so good. And I'll read it to you in a minute, but I want to smell it first. So that's not quite as sweet. I get a little citrus, but I got product on my hands and all of that as well. A little vanilla in it. Let's see what it smells. What the profile says. Warm vanilla, citrus. Hey, 2 for 2 there. Cinnamon and several light tones to build complexity. And I found that a lot of times that the ones that have cinnamon in it, up till recently I've kind of found some that I really like with cinnamon. But a lot of times cinnamon's tricky, because you want it to smell like nice and warm and like ooey gooey kind of sweet, but sometimes it just smells like cinnamon straight out of the cabinet, cinnamon stick, and it's too much of the spice and not enough sweetness to kind of balance it out. But I know I've got products still in my hand, but I'm gonna try it anyway. We're getting the mixture of the Cavalier and the Tortuga Bay, I guess. Yeah, and then I smell a little bit more, it smells a little more lemony when I put it in my hands. So that'd be interesting. I've got too much stuff going on right now to be able to really compare those. But be looking for a follow-up video for the mustache wax and the balm and the 2 different scents of oil. And thank you so much to Royal Beardsmen for sending that out to me. You guys check them out, all right? We'll see you next time.